Hey everyone, if your motherboard has completely died or is playing up, you might be wondering whether you can actually recover the data from it, or are all your precious files actually lost. Well, in general, whether you've got a PC or a laptop, you probably haven't lost all your data by actually having a dead motherboard or anything like that. And that's because the actual data is usually stored on an NVMe drive under here, or it's going to be stored on a SATA SSD or a mechanical hard drive. It's not actually going to be stored on the motherboard itself. So that is quite reassuring, but obviously what that does mean is you need to actually go inside your computer or your laptop to get the data. If you're not sure how to do that, you can obviously go to a repair shop and they'll actually take things out, and that is quite an easy thing. I mean, it would take me like 5 to 10 minutes to actually recover a hard drive or a SSD from a system. So if you do take it to a repair shop and you just want the drive given back to you, it shouldn't cost much money at all, because it should only take them like 5 minutes or something like that. Once you've got the drive, you can then put it in another system. Or what you can actually do instead is go out and buy an external caddy. So if you've got an NVMe drive, you can actually buy USB NVMe enclosure. So you'd actually get your drive, you'd put it in there, and then you connect it up to your computer or your laptop, a different one, and then you can get all your files off there. Equally, if you have a normal hard drive or something like that, you can actually get a USB SATA mount for that, and same thing, you actually put your drive in there, connect it to your computer, and it will work, and you can recover all your files. So in short, if your motherboard has died, unless you've poured water over everything and destroyed the drives, which is quite unlikely, you should be able to recover all the data. But obviously if you have poured water over everything by mistake, make sure you leave everything dry out. Maybe leave it for a good few days or maybe even a week or so before you attempt to put it in a caddy or another computer to recover the data. But I hope you found this video useful and it's put your mind to rest a bit. If you did, please click the thumbs up button and please subscribe to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching.